Every charge wears your battery down a little. The real question is, how much is left? And your device won't show you the full technical picture. iMazing will, in about 10 seconds. Effective capacity, charge cycles, and a clear health rating all read straight from the device. iOS and iPad OS show only a basic battery health figure. And on older devices, battery diagnostics weren't available at all in settings. iMazing shows it for any device. That detail is especially useful if you're buying or selling a used device or managing a fleet of iPhones and iPads. Battery diagnostics is a free feature in iMazing. Here's how to check it in a few clicks. First, download and install iMazing from iMazing.com. Then launch the application on your Mac or PC. Next, connect your iPhone or iPad to your computer using a USB cable. If this is the first time you're connecting the device, unlock it and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm pairing. Once paired, iMazing will remember the device for future sessions. In iMazing's main window, click Devices in the left sidebar. You'll see all devices that have previously been paired to your computer. Select the device you want to work with. In the device overview, look to the bottom right corner. You'll see your current charge and a battery health status. Click that panel to open the full battery detail view. On the left, Battery Health rates how much of its original capacity your battery can still hold. Excellent means essentially 100% full capacity. Good is 90 to 99%, average is 80 to 89%, and poor is below 80%, usually the point where a replacement is worth considering. Turn on continuous updates and the values refresh in real time. On the right, the technical data section breaks it all down. Current charge is the power left right now. Design max charge is what your battery was built to hold. Effective max charge is what it actually holds today. This is the number that drops as the battery ages. And charge cycles tells you how many full cycles it's been through. A charge cycle isn't one charge, it's one whole battery used up. Say you drain 60% one day, then top it back up overnight. The next day you use the other 40%. That's a full 100% used, so it counts as a single cycle, not two. Scroll down for even more data, including charger details when the device is plugged in. iMazing's low battery notification can remind you to charge before your device runs flat, even over Wi-Fi when your device is on the same local network. You can choose the alert threshold. You can also export the data to a handy text file for your records. If you manage a fleet of iPhones and iPads and need to analyze battery health in bulk, use iMazing Configurator's Blueprint feature, included with iMazing Business subscriptions, to triage them. Create a blueprint in iMazing Configurator, then apply it across your fleet of devices. For experts, you can export an even more detailed battery diagnostic. Go to Tools, scroll down to the Advanced section, and click Export Battery Diagnostic to export it in JSON or Plist formats. All of this reads straight from your device. Nothing is sent anywhere. That's how you check your battery's real health with iMazing. The full written guide is linked below. If it helped, subscribe for more, and see you in the next one.